Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Hey Siri command of Siri on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings. Now right here we have to scroll down a bit and open Siri option, and here we have to head to talk to Siri right here. And all you have to do right here is just click here on the off option. And now, as you can see, iPhone will not listen for Siri or Hey Siri at the beginning of requests. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!